Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to making an app that is called as Weather App. So sometime already you are going in the holidays, that summer vacations in Shimla or in the Rajasthan. There is some fake weather reports there on the Google. So my app will help you in settling your clothes for their weather according to the weather. So let's get started. First of all, there is screen. First we have to add the screen and name it as, here's a rename option. Click on it and you have to rename it. First of all, I will tell you how to open this. First, right here, control, choose the first one. Okay, Thunkable.com. Don't use the upper one. Select the last one, that is with no sign, only written by Thunkable. It will time to take later. Mine is already logged in, so it will show like this. But if I am not logging, it shows the sign in with the Google. Okay. So here we go. First we have to making a row for that. After clicking on something, we have to add a column in the screen. Okay. Then I had adding a row in which I had label and image. See, this one is the label. Sorry, this is text. Yeah, this is the row. Basically, row purpose is that it's add the components side by side. Okay, side by side. Here I had it's looking like this half and half, but it's correct. See, I will check with the preview here. Okay, I will add some vertical alignment and text alignment. That is why it is. If you don't know about these, then you can check my previous videos. I have tell that how to do that. And here is as well as, and here is image as you wish. What image do you want? But put the absolute size here 150. Okay. Yeah. Now come to the weather app label. So here is the text input in the row or in the column. Here is the text input, which I name it as city name, because while we are coding, so it is easy to understand in which box we have to write this thing. And here is the button one to get the temperature. When a person click on this, the temperature will be come on. His temperature level under the row. For the specially 5 things, temperature, minimum temperature, etc., we have to add the 5 row one by one. I have to show you. Wait a minute. Yeah, here you can see that. See here, I had row 1, then I had the row 2, I had row 3, and I had row 4, I had row 5, and that's all. Okay, let's just minimize it. So after this, we have to write here adding label inside them and write it as temperature, minimum temp. Don't write all of them, as if you wish you can. Then humidity and the wind speed. Okay. Then don't forget to write an invisible component, that is web API. Okay. Web API is an invisible component because it's not shown. Okay, here is the web API, you can see here. Okay. Then let's go to the main part. You have to add more labels here. You can see, if you cannot, then I have to zoom the. I'm sorry. And here is the label. Aside the labels and means to get the answer here. Okay. As you can understand, let's go to the coding. That is main part here. Yeah. Let's come to the blocks. Okay. I'm so sorry for that. Let's continue by this. Here is when the button one click button is, as well as you know, that is get temperature was. Then you can have set web API URL here, and we get this from web API. Okay, here. Got no. We have to set the URL, and you tell me then how it is get longer. Here is the joy. You have to, if you think there is more than 2, then you can go to the setting and join as much item as you want. Okay, this is the main system while coder uses. While I have not used this for a while, sorry, just for your understanding. Then city name, text city name, I told you where the person typed the city name. Okay. Then this is the URL that my teacher gave me to put this. Then we call the web API and get this response, status and error. 3 things are more important there. You not need to add this from single, it is come across it. Then set temp text join and get property of an object temperature. This is a short form which computer can understand. And I will tell you the main important thing, that from this API key, all of them get the thing of the temperature. And the last, you see the empty string has the word F. This is called Fahrenheit. This is temperature minimum and this is temperature maximum. Main is really important because this shows that, and get the object from JSON. And I add main here to do the main thing, main temperature that I will give you here in my app. And that we want the wind speed. Of course, the speed of the wind. Speed of the wind. So first we have to get the property of speed and get property of the wind. We get the wind speed, so we have to get the property of speed and also the wind. And get the responses on the label, in which we have created the small. Okay, let's have a live test here. I supposed to add go. See here, you get all the temperatures correctly. Not at all Goa. Capital Rewari. Yeah. Here you get the wind speed is 4.09 and humidity is 49 Fahrenheit. You can see here Fahrenheit has come upon. Okay. That's it for today, guys. I hope you will learn more. And I'm so sorry that I bring this video very late and come upon the channel because I didn't get the time for my school homework. And I promise I will uploading videos next month. So please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and happy learning.